Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to log out of Temu. So, I will show you how to log out of Temu on the website and the application too. So, first of all I will navigate to the Temu's website. Now, I'm already logged into my Temu's website. In order to log out here, I will click on my profile icon at the top right side of the screen. Now, I will get this sign out button under this menu. Click on sign out and it will show you this page where you can choose whether you want this browser to remember your login info. So I'll click on remember and click on sign out. After I click on sign out, as you can see, I'm successfully logged out of my Temu's website. Now, in order to do this on application, open Temu's application and if you will be logged in, you will see U icon at the bottom. Click on U and it will show up this page. Here, what you're simply going to do is click on this gear icon at the top right side of the screen, that is settings icon. Now, you will see sign out button at the bottom of this page. Click on sign out and you can choose whether you want this application to remember your login info or not. So I'll choose remember and click on sign out. Now, as you can see, I'm successfully logged out of my Temu application. So that is the simple way to log out of Temu. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.